Thank you very much for coming. But also, in a special way, we want to extend our sincere condolence and sadness to all of you that were affected by the recent floods in Kinawataka in Katogo. Together with my team, some of them were able to reach to your communities to find out more about those who were affected. We have our partners that we work with. One of them is Live, Love and Learn, Hamburg. So these partners, they said no. If you have friends that have been affected by the floods, we can put some resources together and find ways of supporting them. And this is why we are here today.
I don't know how I can thank this team together with us. You will not go to other places and find such depression. If God did not make Onyai to be with the team with that kind of heart and the people who have given their lives to help. So God bless you all. Amen. And the people who are outside there help giving this help.
Nze kubaza Live, Learn, Love okutuwa binene ebintu engeri amataba gaatwononera ebitabo gantwalira ensawo uniform n'engatto nga tetulina nawetusobola naye tubeebaza bambi kubanga tubadde tetulina ssuubi lyonna lyonna beeyongere n'ogw'omutima gwe balina tubeeyanziza.